model rainfall in San Francisco over the past 11 years using 4 different graphs with 4 different equations: quartic, quadratic, exponential, and cubic. From looking at the data, you can see that it's varied very much over the past 11 years, but it was particularly low last year with 7.96 inches of rainfall. I will be showing you the cubic model, which is this dark blue line here, and as you can see, it doesn't match the data very well, but we should still look at the equation.
Looking at the graph of rainfall in San Francisco over the past 11 years, you can see the models of the 4 different equations. The exponential equation does not fit the data well because the r squared is very far away from 1. After entering the data into the calculator, we used StatCalc to get the exponential equation, which is f of x equals 30.977 times 0.927 to the x with a coefficient of determination of 0.374.
Looking at the graph of rainfall in San Francisco over the past 11 years, you can see the models of the 4 different equations. As you can see, the quadratic model does not fit the data well and is the worst fit of the 4 models, as it hits less of the points. After entering the data into the calculator, we use StatCalc to get the quadratic equation, which is fx equals negative 0.187 x squared plus 0.882x plus 24.429 with a coefficient of determination of 0.373.
Looking for the graph of the rainfall in San Francisco over the past 11 years, as we can see, the quartic equation in this line is not very fit for this data, but it's the best one in this for the model of the data. Okay, and this is the quartic, the equation. As we can see, that is the quartic, the function we used. And after we put the data in the calculator, we can see the fx is the a, b, c, d, and the e. So the r squared is the around 0.599, and this one is not the most fittest one. But in these 4 models, this one is best.